I just wanted to give you a quick few reminders of important things coming up. Welcome to week 4 of the semester. This week we are covering chapter 3 in class, which happens to be the legal environment. And it covers a lot of material. It's a pretty dense chapter. It's very legal, as you would imagine. And so I just want to give you some advice when you read it. Think of it as, I want you to know the basics of this. Don't get bogged down in a lot of the details, although you will need to know some details. So I'm going to focus you on table 3.1 in terms of knowing all the laws and acts. That can get overwhelming. So focus on table 3.1 when you think about, what do I need to know? And I want you to know the basic information of the acts and laws in table 3.1. The rest of the information in the chapter is good and you need to know it, but I don't want you to get bogged down with all the executive orders and that kind of thing. So when it talks about types of discrimination and those key terms, that's all really important for the exam. But don't forget that we have an exam coming up. Not this week, but next week is exam 1. So just mark that on your calendar. Good job for almost all of you are active on the discussion boards. Keep up the great work on that. I'm really enjoying reading your posts and learning more about your jobs and your opinions. And other than that, I just want to give you your exam question, of course. And don't forget to review these before the actual exam. These are, with this one and the one I'm going to give you next week, that's 5 exam questions. So definitely a good jump on them. Okay, so this exam question, the question is, which of the following is true about age discrimination in Employment Act? So that's one of the acts that you will need to obviously know. Choice 1, it supports the idea of coercing employees to accept early retirement incentives. Choice 2, it permits an employer to reduce benefits for all employees over 40. Choice 3, it allows companies to pay off older workers when the economy is slow. Choice 4, it outlaws making employment decisions based on an employee's age. Or choice 5, it recommends early retirement incentive programs. The correct answer is choice 4. It outlaws making employment decisions based on an employee's age. That's the correct answer. And of course, your choices will be scrambled up, so it probably won't be choice 4 when you take the exam. But the correct answer is that the Age Discrimination in Employment Act outlaws making employment decisions based on an employee's age. So definitely keep that in mind for the test. It's one of the ones in table 3.1 as well. So with that, have a great week.